Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock flags from any iPhone device without doing a jailbreak guys. In a case your device is in the stolen mode, lost mode, or blacklisted, in each situations, of course, this strategy will work effectively, and of course with the help of PC or laptop at your home, not required to go and any mobile shops to unlock especially or permanent. If you want to unlock so permanently this, you would like to get a solution. If you are a shopkeeper, also mobile shopkeeper, and you would like to unlock them, try to learn firstly proper execution, and upon of course you would be a master to unlock any iPhones, and that is lock to owner, time screen passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, or any iOS issues or iPhone issues, everything can be fixed quickly. So right now, see, manually we are unable to execute. So just simply we will connect this data cable, especially in PC, and upon of course, first and foremost we will open especially that is a iTunes. So let it access the data. So now see guys, here it has been opened, and here this iTunes, here see it's accessing a data, and any message will come, then of course according to it, let it, if you are facing this kind of the issues, then let it connect by virtue of iTunes. If it will give a good Apple database configuration, maybe automatically it will be unlocked, but still it's accessing the data. So let's back and let it. Can I minimize it? No, it has been freeze guys. Now see here, we are unable to execute. See, so maybe this computer has a completely freeze. So in that condition, what we will do guys, here it's still assessing. See, if I disconnect, however, there is a assessing, so it means this iTunes has been freezed because of this. So in that condition, what will be remaining? So in that condition, of course, we will open a one, that is a 3U2 guys. Let it open. So now 3U2 will open on here. Now see, it's opening. We'll back, and of course we will go for let it. So this successfully has been connected guys. So just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in here toolbox. We have one options, that's a crash analysis. Let's delete some bug and old residues, the particle inside from here. Let's delete. So 3 file I have deleted from here. Once again we will go in the inside, there is nothing, so I'm sure that this file has been deleted. Now we will have to open especially, that is especially here imagine PC tool. Let it back once again. So imagine PC is opening, and see here it's still assessing a data. So we will go with the trial version of imaging PC, and we are here now, it's connected. Just we will come in show device console, and let's clear. So it's saying that it is locked and lost. So don't worry, either your device is in lost mode, stolen, blacklisted. In this situation, of course it will be a remedy. Only once this strategy. After rebooting also it will not trap, so because without doing a jailbreak, so we are going to unlock the line. So clear at least 20 times guys, so that of course back, and of course we will try to clear once again. Let's clear. So almost of course we have a clear. So it's accumulating some old data, and upon of course we are trying to clear. So let's clear. Yes, now today is 8 February, and let's 8 Feb is coming now. This year all the things has been clear. Now we will do here, just we will back, and of course we will go for let's clear. We will come on a toolbox once again, and upon of course let me clear. Now we will come on a especially 3U tool, and we have a REC mode here, this option. Hit this one, and of course we will clear. So almost it has been declared. White screen is coming, guys, here, see. So now what we will do here, just we will cut it from here, and of course we can close this imaging PC now. So yes, it has been closed. Now iTunes is a completely freeze, guys, see, live here, it's completely freeze. So now we will have to work with everything by virtue of especially this here, only one iTunes. Now by virtue of here, if you would like to repair of the iTunes directly, we can go for here repair, it will be a, but once again this system will be a rebooted or whole computer. So in that condition I don't want to waste my time here. Just simply we will come in the smart flash, we will try to refresh, and thereupon here directly we will come in the firmware, guys. Let's click on a firmware, and of course we will select the model number here. So just according to your uninitialization you can select the model number. So let's see, now latest beta version, that is a 18.3, this one's, and this is a 22D 60, or this is also 55B beta version. Anyone out of them, especially 4 you have option, out of them actually one download. I have already one downloaded, so just we will come on a here easy flash option. I have already downloaded, so see there 316, this one I have already downloaded, this beta version. Once again I repeat here, see D60, this one first upper parts, this one downloaded. So I have already downloaded, so just we will come in a easy flash, and we will select this one, we will select the quick flash mode, and we will hit it. Don't select the retain user data, otherwise we have the cleared the console and of course the crash analysis data. There will be no advantage of it, because if the retained data, data would be retained once again, then there will be of course once again when will be Apple will configured with the special iTunes, then maybe it will be a risky that it will show you that once again, maybe trap on this activity. So just we will go with this one. Don't go for anti-recovery, it will take a much more time. Here we are not going to select the fixing the battery during the house, just leave it everything now on here. 11% we have done. See here quickly what's the messages that are coming. So iTunes, see, completely free. So you are having this kind of the iTunes problems, guys, then you will have to manage it. You will have to firstly repair. How do you repair iTunes? That I will in a next tutorial, or at the end of this I will show you, don't worry. Now see especially 19%. Let's see what is going to happen. Now 34%, we will wait here. Now it has started to come here, see, and it's restoring something. So we will see further if any kind of error will come, so then we will of course fix it, don't worry. In front of you the timer and everything is working, so now we will see here any kind of error will come, then fix. Now see directly it has been jumped from the 50% here, and the timer is there. So almost we have spent here 9 minutes. Now we can expect further 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see. This IPSW you will have to firstly download. This IPSW of firmware, this can be downloaded via especially www.3u.com, or of course maybe from IPSW.beta. So IPSW, they are the various kind of course they are the so many sources. From there you can achieve this beta version. And if you are unable to, then of course raise the query below the comment box. I will give you links to it, download it, don't worry. Now almost we have done more than 50%. How to show the 50% is, guys? Yes, it is. What's it here? 60%. Don't look there, because the display may be due to RAM or PC problems, that on a proper not screening is coming, maybe, or delay it's responding, but they are more than 60% is because see 15 here in the midst of that. So We'll wait here. Now, imagine PC, iTunes is completely freeze, guys. So we will have to firstly also repair of iTunes because we would like to transfer directly Apple ID and password from iTunes to directly here. So let's see what's going to happen further. By virtue of especially iTunes, without touching on particular this device, guys, we are going to transfer the ID at the end of this tutorials. They are the crucial 2-3 steps that we need to execute. So I'll show you. Just be live, guys. Just we will take this scarcely 10 to 20 minutes your valuable time, and of course if you learn this step by step, then you will be expert to wipe out or terminate, or of course it is the permanence like cloud activation lock lines from any iPhone device. This either is locked to owner, either it is linked to enable ID and asking to the login password that's were used to set up this device, or you have purchased the second-hand phones. And due to that, you're the previous owner who has especially erased some data, and due to that, it has been stuck on especially iCloud activation. So this is the easy way to get rid of it, guys. Yes, don't worry. In a case also, this will be effectively worked when your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, in situations, time screen passcode, mobile device management locked, or maybe Face ID, Touch ID, screen passcode. In a situation, in it, especially the issues or problem, you can address by using similar strategy, guys. Now, still I am stuck on the 50%, so not 50%, but 70%, more than 70% is here. So directly, this 3U tool will jump from there to directly. And data is directly connected in front of you, especially from here. PC to especially in front of you, everything is happening. Now we will wait here and watch. Almost, guys, 12 minutes we spent and they still couldn't get any solutions. A 3 tool, that's right. iTunes is a completely freeze, guys. I don't know why. Just when I connected these old iPhones, and therefore now see. Maybe this phone is not connected further, especially since last 6 months, 5 months, or 10 months, and that's why maybe. But don't worry, this phone is basically from Sindh, especially I'm out of this country, so it's a completely safe spontaneously, of course. I'm doing the whole thing. So if your device in the stolen mode, lost mode, or blacklist in that condition, try to use the virtual private networks VPN, of course, on your computer or systems, and the phone. Then do everything, because until unless you are not going to connect with the Apple database server, it's not going to unlock. So you will have to give the good configuration of Apple database server. Then of course. So now see, almost done. On physically on this device, see here, almost we have completed, but still it's reading on 73%. So 3U tool will notify, and during this whole the pricing process, especially device may restart multiple times. So please don't unplug the device or don't disconnect, guys. Otherwise, your data would be especially stuck on Apple logo, and manually you will have to push this device into the mode. So almost 14 minutes we spent here, and they still couldn't get any solution, guys. Let's see what's happening. We will see. And iTunes, how do you repair? Also, we will see live at the end of this tutorial. Don't worry. Almost we have completed this, so still it's on 89%. So 10, 20. I think 20% is more we need here. Let's. Yes, now still I'm stuck on there. Don't worry. Now clean flags. Yes, the clean the flags has been completed. Fancy, guys. With that condition, what we will do, simply we will come to toolbox and wait for batch activation. So where is the batch activation? So batch activation here. This one is a batch activation. So device is not finally connected, so it's not highlighted. We will have to wait for when it will be highlighted, then we will go for execute. Quickly you will have to, when it will be highlighted within 10 seconds, you will have to execute. So 1 2 3 4 5, and see guys here, of course we have selections, and of course let's use this one. So now it has started to insert here, and there is also whole startup escape, startup especially while we are the purchasing new one and we are trying to generate renewable ID and passwords. Similar, this thing whole procedure we will skip. Now see here what will happens. If there will be no Apple data good, Apple database server configuration good, then of course it will give error. And if there is a good configuration, everything has been cleared from this device, then if there is no any residuals or redundant files, then see it will give a green signals. So we will wait here, don't worry. And they still see iTunes is a completely freeze, guys. What we can do here, iTunes is not responding, but don't worry. The third tool, 3U tool, Imaging PC, it's functional. If it is freeze, then no problem. So it's succeeded, guys. Now see, escape successfully. So in that condition, what we will do, just simply we will come now here and toolbox, and we have a virtual location. Let's restore the genuine location of this device, otherwise SIM card will not be functional. So now this phone has been restarted once again, and it will come on a now genuine location of this device. So just we will cut it from here, and this phone is restarting and everything is now in a hidden. So we will wait here once again, and still there is no any sign on iTunes, guys. See, if I cut, it's completely gone. It's a completely freeze, guys. Here, see, it's not working. It list, see, it's a completely freeze. Now see, we are on here. So just for confirmation, we will come deactivation, and we will wait for 10 seconds, guys. Let's wait. Yes, we will wait for 10 seconds. Then so we are on a hello screen, and now it's highlighting. Yes, it's done. So now what we will do, once again we will come a batch activation, and we will wait here. We will come here, and as we see, yes, we will come on there. We'll go for here connections. There is no any internet connection inside of this. So now we will hit this one, and we will go for hit this one. So now see, it's skipping once again, and we will wait here once again. So now see, it has been reached on the activation states automatically, and now see once again it came on a once again. Just we will come here. I don't know why it's coming again and again. Yes, we will come here once again and once again. It's again and again, especially maybe something error, but here is just saying to the completely green. So maybe if any error will come, so we will wait here. Just to wait, guys, here. Yes, still it's rolling. So let's see. We'll wait here, and this here, iTunes is a completely, see guys here. I don't know what's happened with iTunes, guys here. See, and it's rolling here, and everything has been completed, done. So I don't know what's happening there still. So can I disconnect this one, and once again can I hint? So maybe a good configuration and signal will come. So now see, once again it's still it's rolling. So we will have to wait, and now see everything gone. Now see, guys. So just we will have to wait to have a good configuration. Now see, there is nothing, guys, here inside of. If I go now, see, sign in the manually, of course we can access here. And if I check it out once again, let's see, guys, here. See, if I go in the setting to backs, and of course let's check it out on screen, passcode and face ID. There is nothing, everything has been disabled permanently, guys. We can generate here new Apple ID and password, face ID, everything, guys. And if I back, see, Here we can generate a new Apple ID, but right now I'm not going to generate. I would transfer ID by virtue of iTunes. So how would I repair? See, this phone is finally unlocked, and still it's completely freeze, guys, as we see here right now. So if it is a freeze, then that condition we will go for restart this whole computers, and upon, of course, we will see. So most of this computer is restarting, and then further we will see. Once again we will check it out iTunes. If there is a requirement of the repair, then of course I will go for repair it also. Don't worry. Almost especially see this computer is rebooting, so we will have to wait here, guys. We'll have to wait, and this phone is a completely unlocked, guys. Now see here, if I back and now see here, yes, there is no any ID, everything has been clean, there's nothing inside. If I go in the phone, there's nothing, and of course we will come here to open especially the system, and upon, of course, let's see, of course we are here, just we will open iTunes. So let me refresh, and upon, of course, we will come here, and maybe on iTunes there is a bug, or due to any issues that has been, let it access the data once again. Now see, it's saying the welcome to new, so now it's not freeze. So just we will come now, sign in. So now it's a completely freeze once again, guys. What do you say? This iTunes has been a completely freeze. See here, now it's freeze. So in that condition, how do you repair off the iTunes? Welcome to once again on to YouTube, guys. This is iDevice management tools with spontaneously, of course, this iTunes also will be repaired. So just we are going to connect this iTunes once again, and here just we will come especially here, and let's repair this iTunes. So see here, let's enter this ones to repair it, this iTunes, because this is a completely freeze. If the completely freeze, then how can I especially add a ID, or other we can transfer the Apple ID or generate the transfer and the new Apple ID, guys. It's repairing. Let's wait here, and upon, of course, we will see. Now it's installing the driver. We will have to wait here, guys. I don't know what can be the reason on this particular this iTunes. See here, I don't know why it's going to be completely freeze. Now it's installing, so we will wait here. I'm sorry for delay, guys, but this kind of the issues, of course, you will have to address. So what we can, approximately 23rd minute or 24th minute we have completed, and still Apple especially mobile device support is installing, so we will have to wait here. But on this there is no any issues. We can directly create the Apple ID. See here, if I go in the sign in without having the internet connection, without everything, guys, of course we can directly by virtue of this. I don't have ID. If I click here, then we don't have ID, so that we cannot access here, we cannot create new Apple ID. So in that condition we will have to connect to Wi-Fi, and upon after connection it will work, and here also we can generate. So here we have a second options that we will come in a setting to, of course, we will come in a Wi-Fi. So let it firstly let's say address, we will uninstall this old drivers from this, and firstly we will try to create a special by virtue of iTunes, and if it is not working, then of course we will go with this one. Don't worry. So it's also uninstalling this old software, and still iTunes is freezing, see. So once again we will have to restart, guys. So let it uninstall firstly old driver, and then of course we will go for it. So here we can connect a Wi-Fi because we don't have a solution. So this old everything has been cleared now. Yes, this phone is a completely, but this is still freeze totally. So now we have a chance to once again to restart this device, and on the other hand we will have to enter the Wi-Fi password here. Let's see. So that if you have the Wi-Fi password or Wi-Fi connection, then we can of course generate a new ID also by virtue of this. Now I will click on here. I don't have. Click. I don't have. So now see, it's given a sign. Of course we will go for OK now. So multiple times you will have to create clicks on here. Yes, let's see. Now see, given here. So similar strategy. Now date of birth, and according to write any first name, second name, and upon after writing date of birth, and then go for creation of new mobile ID and password by virtue of especially this iPhones especially now itself. If I back and directly if you want, then now see here it's asking trust, so we will go for, because there is no any password, so just we will go for here. Let's now here as we see still we would like to transfer directly ID. So now we will once again see the solution of iTunes especially it's working still or not, because I have the repair. Now it's asking the previous installation must be removed. So yes, I have the install, so let it uninstall, so let it configuration of it, and then we will see. Yes, it's opened, and let it access the data. It's saying the welcome to new, so just we will go for continue, and we will come in a sign in here. So now it's done, guys. So yeah, it's backing up sectra, I don't know, so let it cancel. See, it's still freeze. I don't know guys, this iTunes maybe completely we will have to uninstall. See, if I go for cancels, see, now it's not closing also. See, whole system is maybe a bug or any reason, that's why I have the problem here. See, I don't know, it's a completely, once again let me restart this system. Now there is no chances, it has been totally freeze. So now we don't have a chances to especially, but of course don't worry, I will do it once again. This phone has been completely unlocked and there is no issues, but of course iTunes is not giving an opportunity to generate a new Apple ID password. Of course, don't worry, until unless I will not do that, I will not leave it. But I'm extremely sorry for especially you're taking much more time here. So the finally device has been unlocked and there is no issues, but of course here, yes, we will come here to. Now this computer is not actually opened still. Now Wi-Fi is connected, so I mean by virtue of phone, especially you can generate a new Apple ID, but we would like to buy a phone, via iTunes. So let's see, we will see via iTunes why it's not working. Just we will open here this, connect the data cable, new PC, and once again this is the last time I'm trying, guys. Otherwise, if it is not going to work, then of course we will uninstall the iTunes completely, and then of course once again we will go for. So here is a trust, there is no password anything, so what will happen? Now see here, it's opening, but here its sign is coming, so let's see the sign in. So here is a given, then here see create new Apple ID and password. So let it as is data once again, and now it has given. So finally we have done, guys. Here yes, create here new Apple ID, write the password, verify the password, and then select the country and go for continue, and of course you will be able to generate directly new ID here. There is no sign ID, directly it will be a transfer, and of course here your ID will be reflected here automatically. So there is no need to sign, everything will be yours now. So do by these steps, and here you can create new Apple ID and password if you have an opportunity. Yes, see after accessing the data it's syncs, and this iTunes in the at this time this is not phrase, guys. Here see once again let me close, and once again we will check it out. So iTunes has been also, so because why it's happened, guys, there may be a bug especially on this, and this one's old iPhones, and due to that last maybe 5-6 months it was not updated any with Apple database service, and that's what happened. So now we will come and sign in to, of course, here creates new Apple ID, and then directly we can here commit. And as we see here, if I connect, now see after accessing data and everything we are on a here sign in, now see. And so this is all about, guys, and as we see now any iPhone was backed up, that older data is now backing up. So maybe especially whenever say especially this is my PC now and this thing is coming. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any query, post have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to the reply of the query, guys. And yes, if you are having any kind of the problem, then there is. And how to like this tutorial. I'm sorry for delay, guys. Thank you very much indeed. And any kind of inquiry, if you found so this is informative and knowledgeable, do a step by step. Any kind of the issues will then of course raise below the comment box, we will fix. And IPSW, how do you download by a different website, of course. Otherwise you are unable to, then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will give you directly links. This is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.